Right, so the issue we have is this Lego Mario will not turn off. You know, even if you take it, you just see it's just non-stop on. You know, you could hold the button. Usually this will power it off or power it on. And you're noticing nothing's happening. So I think the battery just needs to be reseated is my guess. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take off Mario from his outfit. You'll notice you'll need a screwdriver. And we're just gonna go ahead and reseat it. Should solve the problem. So we're just gonna remove the screw. And if you've never done it before, like I haven't, it should come out just like this. And it's just, what I want to do is just remove the battery. And we got one, we got two. And you'll see it just takes two AAA batteries, both in the positive, so we're just gonna reseat it. I'm actually switching positions. And hey, the power's, you know, the light's off. Let's see if this works for us. And then we're gonna go ahead and screw it back in. So now we got Mario back. Let's go ahead and see if that worked. Maybe, oh, there we go. Hey, he's talking again, blinking his eyes. Let's put his clothes back on. Oh, he liked that. So anyway, that seemed to solve the situation for us. Let's put him upside down. Let's see. Okay, yeah, my son showed me that. That's pretty funny. So anyway, he's back to working. Holding the power button. Didn't work, but we'll go ahead and do the... See? He turned off. So anyway, if you have that same situation where it seems like Mario is frozen, he's not, you know, doing anything with his facial expressions, he's not talking, just go ahead and remove the battery. You're going to take off his clothes. You're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, smaller one. You're just going to remove the screw, pop it out, and maybe replace the batteries. In our case, we didn't even have to replace the batteries. We just reseated them. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.